It should go at least $15, man. You know? Yeah, 3 pieces of chicken. You know, you could get wing, you could, but I just choose to do a leg and thigh today. So imagine 3 pieces of chicken and some French fries, you know, on a food truck. It's not a restaurant, people, it's a food truck. Yeah, man. So let me know, please let me know. I need help here because for the new year I wanted to do something different, you know. So that's the thing. So that's what I use. We're gonna try it on those. So I just got some legs and some thighs. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna season those. It's time for the grill. Coming along nicely. This is gonna be something new on the menu. So watch till the end of the video and see what's up. See? Yeah, coming along nicely. Nice. Yeah. Alright, that's how we're looking. Bouncy. Good to go. So guys, let's make a plate. Right? And you're gonna tell me how much I should sell this for, you know. Let me know how much this should go for. Jerk chicken and fries. Right. How much I should sell this for? That's what I want to know. Yeah. Or all right, let's do one more piece of jerk chicken. Yeah, let's do one more piece of jerk chicken. This is the plate. I'm considering like probably $13. Jerk chicken, fries, sauce, everything. So I don't know. I'm just looking for your opinion. What you think? You know, looks good. Tastes good too. So guys, let me know in the comments how much should I sell this for, you know. Events are normally, you know, at my location. You know. Yeah man, and guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, alright? One love, people.